Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test. Today we have a really fun video with two products that we are going to put head to head. Both are Logitech headphones, and we have the Zone Vibe 100 and Zone Vibe Wireless. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we post new tech videos. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. But without further ado, I know what you want to see, so let's start with the Zone Vibe 100. Now, the biggest difference between these two models is going to be one is for enterprise and one is for consumer use. So these are the consumer ones that we have. As you notice, with all of the Logitech products, their instructions for connection are printed right on top of the package. But this one looks like it'll be really easy to connect since it is the Bluetooth. It seems like you'll just turn it on and connect it to the Bluetooth on your device. When you first open up the box, you have the headphones, and it comes with a carrying case and a USB-C charging cable. Ooh, the moment of truth. These are so cool. I love the white and light gray. I feel like they look really unique. And there's even a microphone that tucks up into the headphones for if you're not going to be talking on the phone, which I really like. The ear cushions feel super soft. And as far as controls go, we have a call pickup button, a volume up and down, a power and Bluetooth toggle, a USB-C port to charge the device, and then a mute and unmute button on the mic boom. The headband is adjustable on both sides. It just pulls down, so you have some flexibility with how you wear it. One thing I do want to point out though is it is labeled right and left, so it has a preferred way to wear it, and that mic will be on the left side. So here is the complete contents of the Zone Vibe 100 headphones. And now let's move on to the Zone Vibe Wireless. Like I said, this one's going to be the enterprise model, so it'll be really interesting to see how they pair up head to head. Right when you open it, once again, you have your instructions on the cardboard, and just as with the last one, it looks like you just turn the toggle onto the Bluetooth. First thing I'm noticing when we open it up is a dongle, and it is going to be a USB-C connection. Moving on. Ooh, okay, so this one is, I'd say, charcoal actually, and it is also adjustable on either side, and it has the same design and weight and feel. As far as controls go, it looks like they're also really similar. You still have your volume up and down, your Bluetooth and power toggle, a USB-C charger, but then you also have a Microsoft Teams feature. Also on the mic boom, it tucks in just like the other model, and it also has a mute button. Also in the box, when you pull out the center part, you get some warranty and safety information. And in this compartment, we have our USB-C charging cord. Ooh, and it also comes with a USB-A adapter, which is really convenient. I love when it comes with an adapter because then you just have so many more options as to what you can actually connect the device to. And tucked in the other side, really cool packaging, we have a carrying case. Now let's talk about the key features on both of these headphones. As you can tell, appearance-wise, they look really similar, but there is some differences. So let's start with the Zone Vibe 100, the white one. It is a Bluetooth only connectivity, which is great for casual multi-use device with a battery life of about 18 hours. There also is an integrated mic with a flip to mute feature that has the same high quality mic as our wireless model. Moving on to the wireless model, we have a Bluetooth and USB dongle connectivity. So it offers a more stable connection with laptops and desktops. But if you want to use it with just that Bluetooth, you can totally do that as well. This one also has a battery life of up to 18 hours, and with its integrated mic, it has the same flip to mute feature, but this one offers noise suppression, so it can give you a clearer call audio. Both headsets share the same lightweight over-the-ear design with memory foam ear cushions and are super comfortable and perfect for all-day wear. Now let's see how each of these perform. Okay, I've got the Zone 100s synced up to the computer. I just had to turn on the Bluetooth toggle, and it connected in about 2 seconds. So let's see how these headphones would sound in a busy call center like this. This is what these headphones would sound like if I was in a busy call center on a Teams meeting. And this is what they would sound like in person if I was in a busy call center. Now let's see what it would sound like if I was working from home and my dogs were barking. This is what it would sound like if I was on a meeting and I was using these headphones while my dogs were barking. Okay, now these Zone Vibe Wireless headphones are all connected. There is a light that turns on the bottom and on the dongle when it's properly connected and turned on. And it also announces that it's on, and it announces your battery percentage. So that way you know if you need a charge before you even start working. So let's see how these headphones sound in a busy call center like this. And here's what these headphones would sound like on a Teams meeting in a call center. Now we have the dogs barking if you're working from home using no headphones. And this is what it would sound like if dogs were barking and you're using these headphones on a Teams meeting. Okay, so I just listened back to the audio on both of these headphones, and I'm really happy with how they did. I've been really into wearing headphones lately, and I think that these are both really great, comfortable options. Obviously, the Zone Vibe Wireless is going to be more ideal for professionals or even students who need a reliable connection for meetings and calls, but the Zone Vibe 100 is going to be perfect for casual users who still want great audio for music, calls, or gaming without the need for a dongle. But honestly, whichever model you go with, I feel like you can't go wrong because look at how sleek and nice they look. Both ones are great for different purposes, but let me know in the comments below which one you think you would use. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test, and we'll see you next time. Bye.